Hey boys and girls, it's time for math again. Remember yesterday we were talking about using a number path or a number line to help us solve our math addition or subtraction equations. And yesterday we spent most of our time on addition, so today we're going to work on subtraction. So just a reminder, this is called a number path. Okay, this number path starts at 1 and it goes all the way to 20. So today we're just going to practice some subtraction problems using our number path, and then you'll get to practice some on your own as well. Now remember, when we subtract, we're going to move which direction on the number path? You are correct. We're going to move down the number path, or we're going to move to the left, travel left on our number path. So let's go ahead and get started with a couple of practice problems. Okay, so here is our first practice problem. 8 minus 3 equals blank. Okay, so I need to start at 8. So I'm going to find 8 on our number path. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract. There's our symbol or our sign that tells us we need to subtract, which means we're going to move down or to the left on the number path. And we need to make how many jumps do we need to jump? 3. Good job. Now remember, you actually have to move to make that your first jump. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. And remember, I like to double check. So 1, 2, 3. So where did I end up at? What number? 5. You are correct. So if I have 8 and I take away or I subtract 3, what am I left with? I am left with 5. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Great job. Okay, let's do another one together. Okay, here comes our next one. Okay, 6 minus 5 equals blank. Okay, so we're starting with how many? We're starting with 6, so we'll start at 6. And then what do we need to do? We need to subtract or take away how many? We're going to take away 5. So how many jumps do we need to make? 5 jumps. And are we going to move up the number path or down the number path to the left? Good, we are. We're going to move down the number path to the left because we're taking them away. So our answer or our difference is going to be a smaller amount than 6. So here we go. Remember, we got to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, I like to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where did we end up? What is our answer, or our difference is 1. Great job. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. Excellent job. We're going to do one more. You ready? Okay, so here is our next one. So 10 minus 4 equals blank. Oh, let's do another one since I thought I needed to just give you the answer on that one. How about 9 minus 5 equals blank? Silly Miss Gresham. Okay, so I'm going to start at 9. Good. Am I adding or am I subtracting? Good. I am subtracting. So I'm going to move down or to the left. And how many do I need to jump? How many am I taking away? Taking away 5. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where did we end up? Good. We ended up at 4. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now it is your turn to practice.